Welcome aboard our unforgettable 4-night Royal Caribbean cruise from Los Angeles to Ensenada, Mexico. This journey was filled with excitement, adventure, and relaxation, the perfect short getaway for travelers of all ages. Our itinerary included departing from Los Angeles, a fun day at sea, a stop in Ensenada, Mexico, another relaxing day on board, and finally returning to Los Angeles with incredible memories. From the moment we stepped into the terminal to the peaceful nights at sea, every moment brought something special. This cruise had something for everyone, from live shows and family activities to delicious dining and breathtaking ocean views. To capture the full experience, we've divided this Royal Caribbean journey into 11 parts, each highlighting a different stage of the trip. This video is part 1, boarding, first view, and room tour, and you can watch the entire 11-part playlist on our channel to relive the full adventure. Our day began by parking at the cruise terminal in Los Angeles, rolling our suitcases to the baggage drop, and smoothly passing through immigration. As we approached the ship, its sheer size and beauty were breathtaking. Excitement truly set in. Stepping on board felt magical. The first view inside was grand, with bright galleries, elegant decor, and stylish shops welcoming us aboard. Stepping inside, we first noticed the detailed ship maps placed at every corner to help us navigate, and then the tall glass elevators gliding gracefully between decks, adding to the ship's grand and modern feel. We walked through the bustling main area, soaking in the energy and anticipation, and then made our way toward our stateroom. To our delight, our baggage was already waiting outside the door. Inside, the balcony room was cozy and well-designed. A comfortable sofa bed, a small table, plenty of storage, and a clean, fully equipped restroom. Everything was neatly arranged and ready for us to settle in. Stepping out onto the balcony, we were greeted with beautiful views of the port, neighboring cruise ships, and the crew below loading luggage using forklifts. It felt surreal to watch the busy harbor from our private space. As the evening arrived, we sat outside enjoying the cool breeze, then later watched the moonlight shimmer across the ocean, marking a perfect start to our cruise. This concludes part 1 of our Royal Caribbean cruise series. Thank you for joining us on this first chapter. We hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to check out the playlist combining all 11 parts and click the thumbnails for similar videos.